there's an operating system named Zorin OS that is touting itself to be a replacement for Windows or macOS. Zorin is available in 3 flavors: Zorin OS Pro, which retails for $48, Zorin OS Core, which is available for free, and Zorin OS Education, which is also free. We'll do an install of Zorin Core to see what this operating system is all about. Boot with the ISO file. Try or install. Wait for the file system check to complete. Select Install Zorin OS. Select your keyboard layout. For this installation, I am unchecking the Install Third-Party Software checkbox. Keep the default partitioning scheme and click Install Now. Acknowledge the dialog about writing changes to the disk. Select your time zone. Enter your user account and computer information and click Continue. If you want to see the verbose installation details, click the arrow. Restart when prompted. Log in. Start or skip the tour. The initial impression is a sleek, Windows 10-like desktop experience with a familiar start menu. Click Zorin Appearance. Here, you can choose from 4 built-in layouts: Windows Classic, Windows Classic Small Icons, Windows 11, and GNOME. Zorin OS Pro, the version that costs $48, provides additional desktop layouts. Open a terminal and type uname-a. Check the OS release information. Zorin OS is a dressed-up release of Ubuntu. Close the terminal and click the Zorin Start icon. Zorin OS Core installs with basic standard software. Zorin OS Education adds additional applications and utilities during installation. A notable feature of Zorin is that Hyper-V users can easily adjust the resolution in a standard session as its windowing system defaults to Wayland. Since Zorin is the buy-in Ubuntu-based, anything we can do in Ubuntu, we can do in Zorin. We can easily join the operating system to a Windows Active Directory domain. We can enable Hyper-V Enhanced Session using XRDP. So, is Zorin a true replacement for Windows or macOS? No, it's just another Linux distribution. However, like Mint Linux, Zorin offers a clean and polished user experience, making it an attractive option for users new to Linux. I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and found it useful. If you have any feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on to others. And I thank you for watching.